Welcome back to the Antigravity CLI course. So far we've launched the agent in its full interactive terminal, but sometimes you don't want a session at all. You just want an answer printed to the screen and then you're done. In this lesson we cover print mode, the headless way to run antigravity inside scripts, build steps, and get hooks. Let's drop into the terminal. Here we are at a plain shell prompt. Instead of opening a session, let's ask Antigravity a single question and have it print the answer straight back to us. The key here is the print flag. Running ag-p with a prompt in quotes tells the agent to answer that one prompt non-interactively, send the result to standard output, and then exit. No terminal interface ever opens. Watch this. The agent reads the prompt, does its work in the background, and streams a plain text answer directly to the console. Because it writes to standard output, you can pipe that answer into another command or save it to a file. And there it is, the response printed and the process already exited. That clean exit is exactly what makes print mode safe to drop inside a build step or a continuous integration pipeline, where nothing can sit and wait for input. Now, long jobs need a time limit. The print timeout flag sets how long print mode waits for the answer before giving up. It defaults to 5 minutes, so a slow task won't hang your pipeline forever. You can also blend the two styles. The prompt interactive flag, -i, launches with an initial instruction and then drops you into the full interactive session, rather than exiting the way print mode does. Here's where this really pays off. Because print mode exits with a plain answer, you can wire the agent straight into a Git hook or an automation script, letting antigravity work as one quiet step in a larger process. Here's what to keep from this lesson. The print flag, ag-p, runs a single prompt non-interactively, prints the answer to standard output, and exits. That clean exit makes it the headless mode for scripts, build steps, and get hooks with no interface to open. The print timeout flag caps how long it waits, defaulting to 5 minutes, and the -i flag starts with a prompt then stays interactive. Head to Standarity.com for the full Antigravity CLI course, and join us in Lesson 3, where the model command lets you switch the reasoning model mid-session.